Welcome to the best picks. The best stationary bikes is probably one of the most sought-after fitness equipment for home workouts, offering a low-impact, efficient way to boost cardiovascular health and burn calories. But with so many models available, choosing the right one can be overwhelming. This video will guide you through the top stationary bikes on the market, comparing features, benefits, and price points to help you find the perfect fit for your fitness goals and budget, ensuring you get the best value for your investment and enjoy a comfortable, effective workout from the comfort of your home. Number 5. YOSUDA Indoor Cycling Bike. It features a 35 pounds flywheel and heavy-duty steel frame for stability. The belt-driven system ensures a smooth, quiet workout, perfect for apartment living. With its adjustable handlebar and 4-way adjustable seat, it offers a comfortable ride for various body types and heights. Find your perfect cycling position. The LCD monitor displays your workout stats, time, speed, distance, calories burned, and odometer. Stay motivated and see your results. Watch videos or listen to music using the convenient tablet holder. Make your indoor cycling sessions more enjoyable. The adjustable cage pedals and quick-stop resistance bar ensure safety. It also includes a water bottle holder and transport wheels for easy mobility. It comes with all the necessary tools and instructions for easy assembly. Plus, there's an online video to guide you through the process. We stand behind our product. Enjoy a 1-year free parts replacement warranty for peace of mind. What we like? It offers a whisper-quiet ride thanks to its belt drive system and heavy flywheel, perfect for apartment living. Its adjustable handlebar and seat ensure a comfortable workout for various body types. If you value a smooth, quiet workout and enjoy using your tablet while exercising, this is the bike for you. What people say. This is an awesome exercise bike. I love the size, how smooth and quiet it is. So sturdy, doesn't move or wiggle. Easy to use. Resistance is adjustable. It's exceeded my expectations. It came well packaged when I put it together. It was easy to assemble with the exception of the pedals. It's very sturdy and it's relatively quiet. The things I like best are the resistance and of course the price. Well worth it. There's a wide range of resistance choices and the knob is easy to use. This is a nice bike that holds up well to extended use. Works well and gives feedback on time and other data. Number 4. POOBOO Folding Exercise Bike. This bike offers a variety of workout options. You can enjoy a high-intensity upright ride or a more comfortable semi-recumbent posture. Plus, resistance bands let you tone your upper body too. It features a convenient bottle holder, keeping water within easy reach during your workout. This thoughtful addition helps you stay hydrated and energized. It folds compactly for easy storage, perfect for smaller spaces. Transport wheels make moving it a breeze. Built with high-quality steel, it supports up to 300 pounds. The stable design ensures a safe workout experience for various heights. It offers 8 levels of magnetic resistance, providing a smooth and quiet workout. You can easily adjust the intensity to match your fitness level. The monitor displays your time, speed, distance, calories burned, and heart rate. It also includes a handy mobile device holder to keep you entertained. The oversized, adjustable seat cushion provides comfort and support. It's designed to accommodate various body types. It's a thoughtful gift for friends and family. It's quiet, compact, easy to assemble, and move, making it a convenient choice. What we like? This space-saving bike folds away easily, ideal for smaller homes or apartments. It offers multiple workout modes, including upright and recumbent positions, for a versatile workout. If you need a compact, versatile bike that doesn't compromise on features, this is a great option. What people say. It came very well packaged, and was not very difficult to install. I was also very impressed with just how rigid and high quality some of the materials were. The foldable design is very convenient for small spaces, and it's easy to set up and store away. It operates quietly and has adjustable resistance levels, making it suitable for light to moderate workouts. It's sturdy and comfortable and seems pretty high-end for such a low price. It folds up easily for storage and even when not folded, doesn't take up much space at all. The instructions were fairly easy to follow. The bike went together smoothly. Number 3. Schwinn Airdyne Bike. Experience the ultimate in fitness with the Schwinn Airdyne Bike. It's quiet, smooth, and offers a challenging workout every time. This bike is whisper quiet thanks to its single-stage belt drive. Enjoy a smooth, low-impact workout without disturbing others. It offers infinite levels of resistance, so you can customize your workout to any fitness level. Challenge yourself and reach your goals. Monitor your progress with the integrated RevMeter RPM gauge. It's perfect for interval training and tracking your performance. The self-balancing foot pedals with straps keep your feet secure and comfortable throughout your workout. Enjoy a stable and efficient ride. Stay cool and comfortable during even the most intense workouts. It features a quiet, frictionless fan to keep you refreshed. What we like? It provides a unique, challenging workout with its air resistance system that adjusts to your effort. The resistance levels are virtually limitless, offering a constantly evolving challenge. If you are looking for a challenging, high-intensity workout and appreciate a well-built machine, this is the bike for you. What people say. It works both your legs and arm upper body at the same time. It is very easy to adjust the seat to accommodate any size rider. Very solid, doesn't move around at all, even with me going as hard as I can. The belt drive is very direct with no driveline lash or noise. The display is very intuitive and easy to use, with all information available at a glance. Number 2. HAPBEAR Folding Exercise Bike. It offers 3 workout modes: upright, recumbent, and folding, allowing for a full-body workout. Plus, the included resistance bands target even more muscle groups for a comprehensive fitness experience. The large LCD monitor displays distance, calories burned, pulse, time, and more. Stay informed and motivated as you reach your fitness goals. With 8 levels of magnetic resistance, it adapts to your fitness level. The smooth, quiet operation ensures a comfortable workout, anytime. The oversized seat cushion provides comfort during your workout. The anti-slip pedals and sturdy design ensure a safe and stable workout experience. It's easy to assemble, folds away for convenient storage, and comes with a lifetime warranty. Start your home fitness journey today. What we like? This versatile bike offers 3 workout modes, including upright, recumbent, and the option to add arm resistance bands for a full-body workout. The pulse sensor helps you monitor your heart rate for optimal training. If you want a versatile, full-body workout with heart rate monitoring, this is the bike for you. What people say. It was pretty easy to put together. The resistance is great, but it seems like going from 5 to 6 does not give the same resistance as going from 7 to 6. I usually ride on 6, 7 if I'm pushing myself. I'm probably about 250 pounds, and this bike feels very stable. The seat is also very comfortable. This thing makes no noise, which is wonderful. It's magnetic resistant, so there's no weird gears or anything. The chair was very easy to put together or came with the tools, which is wonderful. Great little exercise bike, perfect size for smaller person, but can be adjusted for someone taller. Very smooth and quiet operation. Its small size does not take up a lot of space. Nice addition are the resistance bands. Assembly was fairly easy, the instructions were clear. Number 1. YOSUDA Pro Magnetic Exercise Bike. It's built with thickened commercial-grade steel, ensuring a sturdy and long-lasting workout experience. This isn't a flimsy bike, it's designed for years of reliable use. Experience a whisper-quiet workout with its advanced magnetic drive system. It operates at only 20 dB, even after extensive use, so you can exercise without disturbing others. It features a 4-way adjustable handlebar and seat, accommodating users of various heights. The adjustable pedals and straps ensure a comfortable fit for everyone. With a 40 pounds flywheel and 100 micro-adjustable resistance levels, it offers a customizable workout for all fitness levels. Easily tailor your routine to burn calories and reach your goals. The large screen monitor clearly displays all your workout stats: RPM, time, speed, distance, calories burned, and odometer. Track your progress effortlessly. It includes a unique tablet holder that won't obstruct the display. It's extendable and pivoting, offering optimal viewing angles for your entertainment. What we like? Built with commercial-grade steel, it's designed for long-lasting use and intense workouts. The ultra-quiet magnetic drive system ensures a peaceful workout experience. With 100 micro-adjustable resistance levels, you can fine-tune your workout intensity. If you are looking for a durable, quiet bike with highly customizable resistance, this is the one for you. What people say. Adjustability, seat handlebars and leveling, is good. The riding feel is excellent. The heavy flywheel and magnetic resistance make the ride very smooth. The magnetic resistance seems to be more than sufficient for both my current needs and my anticipated needs as my conditioning improves. The belt drive and magnetic resistance make this bike silent. Good spin bike, heavy well-balanced wheel and enough adjustments possible from bars to seat to fit almost anyone. Magnetic resistance can be dialed up to insanely tough levels, even backed off gives a workout. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.